Before we begin, we have to know that line chart underline words, write relate words, turn nouns into verb, verb into nouns, adjective into adverb. A line chart write opposite words, similar words, and synonyms. Circle and highlight the graph, use arrows, make note. Circle the biggest, the smallest, stable or unchanging part, sudden increases. Identify trend. A trend is the overall idea of the graph. What is happening or what happened? The might change over time. The most noticeable thing about the graph, the pattern over time. The pattern for different places or group or people. This is adjective and adverb. Adjectives consist of sharp, sudden, rapid, gradual, and consistent. From adjective, adverb consists of gentle, slight, significant, substantial, and steady. Okay, this is the topic. Line graph is an order to form a table visualization object. Tables consisting of numbers can be accessed or can be accessed in the form of a line. Line charts are also generally used to describe a development or change over time. The next, this is the benefits and use of a line chart. From the picture, we are know that often line diagrams are used to view data on the growth of a particular activity or population. For example, population grow in a certain area. A line graph is usually identical to a straight line that goes up or down. type. The first type is single line diagram, and the second is a double line chart. A single line graph is a diagram that presents one type of thing or object being compared over a period of time, so that only one graph line can be created. Unlike the case with double line graph, namely charts that show more than one event at a certain time, so that in one image there are two or more graph lines. Okay, this is a simple example of line chart. From the picture and the table, it explains book sales in several months, and the result from the table above provide a line diagram image present in vertical form, namely the dots that are connected to a line, and you can see the progress of the increases or decrease of the graph, where cells are increasing and starting to decline, so that we can easily find the conclusion from the table. For create a line chart, we have some steps for making a line chart. The first is provide data or tables to be diagrammed. The second, draw a horizontal line, then write down the time variable to be used under that line. Make sure that distance between variables is always the same or consistent. 3. Draw a vertical line, then write a frequency that is approximately capable of displaying the data. 4. Make a point of contact between the variables and the frequency according to the data. And finally, connect the dots to form a line diagram.